In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download AnyDesk on Mac, the safe and easy way, using the official website so you know you're getting the correct version for macOS. This is a quick tutorial, but I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along without any confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open a web browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you already prefer. Once the browser is open, click inside the search bar or address bar at the top. Type AnyDesk and then press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, look for the official AnyDesk website. This is very important because whenever you're downloading software, you always want to use the official source for security, reliability, and to avoid fake downloads. Click the official AnyDesk website to open it. Once you're on the AnyDesk homepage, look for the Downloads section. Click on Downloads to go to the Download options. On the Downloads page, scroll down until you find the macOS option. Since you're using a Mac, this is the version you want. Click on macOS and then look for the Download Now button. Click Download Now to start downloading the installer to your Mac. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you can open the file and continue with the installation process if needed. And that's it. You've now downloaded AnyDesk on Mac using the official website. It's a simple process, but making sure you use the right source makes all the difference. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.